If you're looking for an honest Pixpa review and want to know if it's actually worth using for your website, portfolio, online store, or creative business, this is the video for you. In this review, I'll walk you through what Pixpa is, who it's best for, the features you get, pricing, ease of use, templates, e-commerce tools, SEO features, client galleries, and the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right website builder for your needs. I'll also show you why Pixpa has become a popular choice for photographers, designers, artists, freelancers, and other creative professionals who want an all-in-one website platform without needing to know how to code. To get started, click the Pixpa link in the description below to visit the official Pixpa website and claim the latest Pixpa deal available. Right now, Pixpa is offering a 15-day free trial, and I've also included a Pixpa coupon code next to the link that can save you up to 55% off annual plans. From there, you can explore the templates, features, pricing plans, and start building your website step by step. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission at no extra cost to you. If you use the link, you'll also get the latest Pixpa deal or promotion available. So with that said, let's jump into this Pixpa review. Pixpa is an all-in-one website builder designed mainly for creatives like photographers, designers, artists, videographers, models, freelancers, and agencies. The platform lets you build a professional website, portfolio, blog, online store, and client galleries all in one place without needing coding knowledge. One thing that makes Pixpa stand out compared to many traditional website builders is that it focuses heavily on portfolio websites and visual content. So instead of being a general purpose website builder trying to do everything, Pixpa is specifically optimized for creative professionals. With Pixpa, you can build a portfolio website, sell physical or digital products, create client galleries, deliver photos to clients, run a blog, sell prints and downloads, accept online payments, use e-commerce tools, connect a custom domain, optimize your website for SEO. And all of this is included inside one platform. One of the first things you'll notice with Pixpa is the design quality of the templates. Pixpa offers over 200 responsive templates designed specifically for creative websites and portfolios. The templates are modern, clean, mobile-friendly, and focused heavily on images and visual presentation. So if you're a photographer, artist, graphic designer, filmmaker, creative agency, freelancer, you'll probably find the designs much more portfolio focused compared to builders like WordPress or Wix. The editor itself is also beginner friendly. You can customize fonts, colors, layouts, galleries, menus, sections, pages, store layouts, blog pages, and you can do it all visually without coding. Now, if you're an advanced user, Pixpa also allows custom CSS and HTML editing for additional customization. One of the biggest reasons people choose Pixpa is because it's easy to use. The dashboard is very beginner friendly, and the drag and drop builder makes it easy to edit pages and customize your website. Compared to WordPress, Pixpa is much simpler because you don't need to install plugins, manage hosting separately, handle updates, configure complicated settings. Everything is already built into the platform. Many users also mention that Pixpa is easier to learn compared to Shopify or WordPress while still offering powerful functionality. So if you want something simple that still looks professional, that's definitely one of Pixpa's strengths. This is one of the standout features of Pixpa. Pixpa includes built-in client galleries that allow photographers and creatives to share client work, deliver photos, allow proofing, sell images, create downloads, create branded gallery experiences. And unlike some competitors, these tools are already built into Pixpa instead of requiring third-party plugins or extra subscriptions. This is especially useful for wedding photographers, portrait photographers, event photographers, commercial photographers. You can even create mobile gallery apps for clients, which is something many competing website builders don't offer. Pixpa also includes e-commerce functionality built directly into the platform. You can sell physical products, services, digital downloads, photography prints, courses, creative products. Pixpa supports payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, PayUmoney. And one nice thing is that Pixpa does not charge commissions on your sales. The e-commerce tools also include inventory management, discounts, coupons, taxes, shipping settings, order management, digital product delivery. So if you're a creative wanting both a portfolio and online store together, Pixpa does a really good job combining both into one platform. Pixpa also includes built-in SEO and marketing tools. You can customize meta titles, meta descriptions, URLs, alt text, redirects, SEO settings. The platform also includes blogging functionality, marketing pop-ups, announcement bars, email integrations, analytics integrations. And since everything is already integrated, you don't have to install extra plugins like you would with WordPress. Pixpa is generally considered one of the more affordable website builders for creatives. Pixpa offers multiple pricing plans depending on the features you need. Pricing can vary depending on promotions and billing terms, but annual plans typically start at lower monthly pricing compared to monthly billing. I've also included a Pixpa coupon code in the description below that can save you up to 55% off annual plans. Pixpa also offers a free trial, no credit card required for the trial, a 30-day money-back guarantee on paid plans, and compared to paying separately for hosting, portfolio plugins, e-commerce tools, client gallery software, Pixpa can actually save money by combining everything together. Another area where Pixpa gets strong reviews is customer support. A lot of users mention that the support team is responsive, helpful, and available through live chat and email. Pixpa also offers tutorials, guides, documentation, help center articles, so beginners usually have plenty of resources available if they get stuck. Now let's quickly go over the pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, great templates for creatives, the built-in client galleries, e-commerce included, no coding required, affordable pricing, all-in-one platform, mobile-friendly designs, strong customer support, no commission fees on sales. Cons: more niche focused than general website builders, not as customizable as fully self-hosted WordPress. Advanced e-commerce users may still prefer Shopify. Some advanced features may require higher plans. Overall, I think Pixpa is one of the best website builders for creatives, especially photographers, designers, artists, and freelancers who want an all-in-one platform that's easy to use. The biggest strengths are definitely the portfolio-focused templates, built-in client galleries, e-commerce tools, ease of use, affordable pricing. If you want something simpler than WordPress but more specialized for creatives than Wix or Squarespace, Pixpa is definitely worth considering. Now, if you want the latest Pixpa discount or free trial, check out the link in the description below. And I've also included a Pixpa coupon code next to the link that can save you up to 55% off annual plans. And if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more website builder reviews, tutorials, and online business content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.